The battery just shot out. I cannot believe this, y'all. It is on fire. It just blew up. $500 just like that.
This year's Christmas craze, but after just 6 days his hoverboard burst into flames. This is all that was left of it after the fire, which started when the hoverboard was in their home.
It just exploded like a bomb. I've burnt my hand up to my shoulder, got fragment burns all over my legs.
I was absolutely terrified. At the beginning I didn't know if Mum was alive still.
In the last 2 months, trading standards have examined 17,000 hoverboards at ports of entry, and of those 15,000, that's 88% of the total, were assessed as faulty. Investigators have found multiple risks. Cheap imports with dangerous plugs, chargers and batteries have led to new advice from this senior fire officer.